So guys, select NBA Bird, break 3016. Good luck, dice roll going 4 times. Teams first, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 here, 4 here. Bucks up top, Raptors at the bottom. Four times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 here, 4 here. Aiden up top. Joe Holloway at the bottom. Let's sort them out. Bucks didn't sort, they're at the top. Everybody else did. There's your squads. Good luck, gentlemen. Here we go. Take your hot ass chair. That's what Bob does. You got to keep your chair. Okay. I don't want to sit with your hot bubble. There you go. Where is? We got all the selected down here.
Boxes everywhere.
I didn't have box. I had it all organized, Bob. You're just
boxes. You couldn't even move back the chair up.
You're just throwing shit everywhere, man. I'm telling you. Good luck, gentlemen. Hey, you've been using the Browns knife too, haven't you?
No.
I've never been associated with it.
There's a Bears now. They haven't advertised it for fall last night.
Did you?
That is good.
I was like, how's old Paulie doing? Anthony Davis, Eason. Christian Braun and a Tariq Eason on the court side. Ja Morant snapshot, Tyrese Halliburton, and a Desmond Bain. Tyrese on the red, white, and blue. Got RPA to 99, Isaiah Stewart, not an RPA. Veteran patch auto for the Pistons, going to Josh Cox. Nice one here for the Spurs. Jeremy on the white. Going to Martin Applehans. To 149. James Harden. Joel Embiid, Tyrese Maxey, silver, and Giannis. Got ink. RJ Barrett to 149. Nice one for the Knicks. In-flight signatures. Knicks going to Ed Betty. There you go, Ed. RJB. Anthony Davis on the scope and a Jeremy for the Spurs. Scotty Barnes and Malachi for the Spurs and a Max Christie. There's Malachi on the scope for the Spurs. Spurs going to Martin. Joel Embiid, unstoppable. Paul George on the silver and a Damian Lillard. Peyton Watson, Zion, filler card. Josh Giddey on the red die cut for the Thunder. On to Charlie Hansen. There you go, Charlie. Giddey to 175, Joel Embiid. Theo Mark Williams, Jamal Murray to 99 for the Nuggets. Purple jersey, Nuggets to Cody. Ty Washington on the blue die cut for the Rockets. Pretty sure he just got traded. to 249 and a Chris Middleton. Ty Washington.
Never heard of him.
Christian Braun, future. Silver Musa and Trae Young. Siakam, Jalen Green. Keegan Murray for the Kings. Trey Middleton filler. Jalen Williams for the Thunder on the tricolor. Keegan on the rook. Let's recap it. Williams, Ty, Murray, Giddey, Branham, RJ Barrett on the ink. Sokan, Isaiah Stewart, and Christian Braun. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill.